I'm Oluwaseun Olanrewaju by name. I'm in Lagos, that is Ajah Badore to be precise.
My name is Saheed Yusuf. I be Kudi agent. My shop dey for Alasia Tipa Garage.
Orúkọ mi ni Awolade Jubril Oluwasegun. Mo ń lo Kudi láti bí ọdún méjì sẹ́yìn. Shop mi wà ní Jakande First Gate, Etiosa local government.
I've been a Kudi agent since August 2020. It was recommended to me by a friend of mine who uses the POS.
I've done the Kudi agent for 7 months now. You get one application we dey for Kudi, they call am K-Shop. The K-Shop dey easy to access, they borrow money.
Inú mi dùn láti ìgbà tí mo ti ń lo Kudi o, torí wọ́n fún mi ní kinní kan tá ń pè ní K-Salt. Ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí ọrọ̀ ajé mi kó lọ síwájú sí dáadáa.
K-Shop has really been of help to me and to my business. There are sometimes when a customer can just come in suddenly and say, I want to deposit money, of which I'm already having too much cash with me, and I need cash in bank. Immediately, I used to collect K-Shop, transfer the money for the customer, and I made my own profit.
So people will never use the K-Shop, may they start to use them because they help. Because if you broke for wallet, if you borrow me money for wallet, me use and do business.
Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ bí agent, mo gbà yín nímọ̀ràn kẹ́ lọ máa lo Kudi. Tẹ́ bá ń lo Kudi, wá fún yín ní K-Salt. So K-Salt yẹn ó máa jẹ́ kí owó yín kó lọ dáadáa torí wọ́n ń fún yàn lówó níbẹ̀ ni.
This product is good, easy to use, no stress. It's just at the comfort of your phone. Just log into the app, get it, and you are good to go.